Please join me for breakfast this morning, and please stay till the very end for information on upcoming videos. I got the right burner for once. So I generally make my breakfast every morning, and lately I've been having some bacon bits along with one potato and a couple eggs and some cheese along with a couple slices of toast. This makes a pretty good breakfast. And after breakfast I can go out and get some work done. I'll get these potatoes all cut up a little bit. I just cut them up so they cook a little faster. Or I think they cook a little faster. I could be wrong. So when I say cook, I mean fry. But little bit of salt. Cover her up. Oops. Almost lost one. Okay. I will get the eggs ready in advance. So when the potatoes get pretty much cooked, I'll pour the eggs over that. And then when the eggs are pretty much cooked, I'll put my Velveeta on top of that, shut the heat off, and just let it melt down there. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Need a little steam. That'll help cook the potatoes a little faster. Taters are almost ready. Another minute or so. That about 30 seconds. Come on, eggs, you can do it. I gotta get my eggs cooked good because once I put the cheese on there, I can't tell if they're cooked or not. I don't want any raw eggs. Okay, so we're going to shut that off, let it set for a bit. Okay, while this is resting, I've been running water to wash dishes. Got my coffee going. Now you guys tell me what you do. I kind of wash my dishes as I go, because I hate to have a big pile of dishes waiting for me when I get done and get ready to do the dishes. So, from the dishes we accumulated last night after supper, after I'd done the dishes, then I, looking pretty good. No, I don't wash my cast iron frying pan every time I cook something in it. Only if it gets burnt stuff on the bottom of it or stuff like that. A lot of times I just wipe it out. Okay. So, how does that look to you? That's my breakfast for the morning. Oops, toast just popped. Sorry, I'm gonna have to put you down and butter my toast. Thanks for watching. So I would appreciate it if you'd give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing some more snowmobile stuff and grooming as soon as we get a little more snow. We did get some, but not quite enough. So I am working on a video of Super 8 film I took when I was overseas when I was a young man. Here's just a few pictures to give you an idea of what you're going to see coming up. So thanks for watching. God bless.